How to hide Add Friend button in Facebook account. First, you want to tap on the gear icon on the top of your screen to go to Settings, and you want to scroll down until Audience and Visibility and choose How People Find and Contact You. Here, on Who Can Send Your Friend Requests, choose Friend of Friends so not everyone can send you friend requests right now. Click Save. And on People with your email address, you want to choose No One. Click Save. And People with your phone number, you want to choose No One. Click Save. This way, other people that have your phone number or your email will not see your profile to adding you as a friend. And to maximize what we can do, you want to go back to Settings and choose Followers and Public Content. And on Who Can Follow Me, you want to tap on Friends and click Save. And that's it. It is the best we can do. So right now, only people that were following our friends can still send you a friend request, not everyone. So if you are really insist to have nobody adding you as a friend, you can start unfollowing all of your friends on Facebook. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.